Hi guys. One of the most important jobs that we perform at Emerald Serve is accurate and precise chemical dosage. It's one of the things that separates us from our competition because we are both accurate and precise. We've built our units with an autodoser, which usually makes that job pretty easy. The autodoser reads the flow rate going through the flow meter and also uses an encoder that's tied to the VFDs to control how much chemical to put into the pipe. However, you can't always rely on your autodoser. There are times when it may not be working, your flow meter may go out, your pump may not be calibrated, or you just catch yourself having to defend yourself in front of a company man or a tool hand or someone else on location, and you're going to need to be able to calculate those dosages by hand. There are two ways that I'm going to show you today to calculate those dosages. The first is by using pump rates. The second is by using tank straps. Both of those methods can be used to determine your current dose rate. Now, if we take into consideration what's happening in your machine, you have flow going through your 3-inch flow loop. You're injecting a second flow into that flow. So you have a stream of fluid moving at some barrels per minute. Let's say your flow meter says that's 3 barrels a minute. You're injecting your chemical at some flow rate, and we usually measure that in gallons per minute. And let's just use the example that your pump says you're pumping at 0.1 gallons per minute. This stream is going into that stream. So what your dosage is a rate of a rate. It's gallons per minute going into some flow of barrels per minute. The minutes cancel, which means a dosage is a rate of a rate which reduces to a volume per volume, in this case gallons per barrel. The adage of 10 barrels actually is derived from the fact that most pump trucks have 10-barrel tanks. So this unit of measure came about specifically for the coil tubing world. And in this particular example, we're flowing at 0.1 gallons per minute into 3 barrels a minute. So dividing 0.1 by 3 results in the answer of 0.03 gallons per barrel. However, the unit of measure that we have to convert it to is gallons per 10 barrels. So you take your gallons per barrel times 10, and that means that your current dosage is 0.3 gallons per 10 barrels. 0.1 gallon per minute into 3 barrels a minute equals 0.3 gallons per 10 barrels.